Hey there YouTube, this is Greg on Me 2005 and today I got a special treat for you. I got a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado cold start for you guys. This truck's got the 4.3 liter Vortec V6 engine in it. I haven't started this truck in about 4 days. It's been sitting in this garage because I do have another pickup, my F-150, I drive to work every day. And you know, a lot of people that have been around my truck, they tell me that my exhaust is kind of loud on my truck for being stock. So I'm going to basically show you guys that the exhaust is not modified. It is the stock exhaust on this truck. There's no holes in this truck. It's in good condition for being an 08. It's only got 62,000 original miles on it. There's nothing, no holes, nothing in this exhaust. So I'm going to start this truck up for you guys, do the cold start. You guys enjoy. And here we go. Let's see if I can get, hold on guys. See if I can get this thing to stay on the pedestal like that. All right, guys. Alright guys, that's the exhaust, that's the startup guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is Greg on Me 2005 signing off.